Roots! Paku whakatau ake i a tātou rangatira kua tae mai nei. Hara mai koro Trev, hara mai taku taukete, hara mai kōrua tahi. Ki wainga nui tēnei whānau a kōrua. Hika, kua ngakia ngā mahi. Hoi no, nau mai hara mai kōrua.
Well, kia ora whānau. It's a privilege to be here, to be asked to come down and be a part of this. It's an honour, and it's an amazing thing that you fellas are doing, and I really look forward to mahi today. Ka pai whānau, choice.
Pūkākī, big song, and of course the selection for Te Arawa waka. And such an honour to be able to perform it actually, because it is such a big song, not just in sound, but in rongo nuitanga. Kua puta te rongo o tēnei waiata mai anō, I tōna waiatatanga I konei, I pōneke nei, I te tau iwa te kaumāwaru.
For the ladies, anō toru. Kia ora, ko Kahurangi mea toku ingoa no Te Arawa, ko Ngāti Rangiwewehi, me Ngāti Whakaue ngā iwi ngā hapu, ko Ngāti Pūkākī te koromatua. Growing up around kapahaka, like our week was structured. Monday to Friday was normal life, go to school, go to work, but every day was leading up to the weekend, which was kapahaka. And I actually feel grateful and lucky that I was born and raised in Ohinamatu, which is on my mum's side, but every weekend would be out at Awaho, which is on my dad's side, so I had the best of both worlds. Ko tōku māma me tōku papa, ngā kaiarahi ahau, I roto I tēnei au, I roto I ngā ahuatanga katoa, engari I roto I te au haka. Ko tōku māma. Yeah, if you can't find that note on that, come in on that second.
It was cool to have Kahurangi on board as a representative, I guess, of Te Arawa waka.
Yep.
Not only does she have fantastic reo waiata, rete tonu ki te māma, but she also brings her māma's wairua into that whole mix. And is also representative of legacy, tuku iho, which I think in this game, it's not just about competition. It's about the legacy that you hand down to the next generation to wield however they see fit.
What can also happen with the song is that there is long notes and there's kind of a lull, but he mea nui kia tino whakahua I ngā kupu, so we don't get so caught up in the you know, that's what we've been doing.
Kahurangi has wielded her mama's legacy and her papa's legacy on stage with Rangiwewehi and with Ngāuri o te whanua, off stage as the te kaikawe kōrero mo te matatini I roto I ngā tau, I roto I ngā mahi whakawā, I roto I ngā mahi awhina I ngā rangatahi, I roto I te mahi nei, and just awesome also to have that whole legacy a part of this kaupapa.
All right, whānau, we know what to do now. Let's just go there. All right, I'm going in the booth. Work with each other, pick each other up, and then just go for it. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2.
I think all of our dreams are coming true being here. We are creating experiences and friendships that'll be lifelong. and really helping us to grow as people, but also as kaihaka, so that we can go back into our own spaces and share. Tino wai maria mātou.
And was choice to have Koro Trev and Brother Inia here to be able to teach it and jam it here with the crew as well.
They told me they wanted some grunt.
We ready to whānau? Ka pai. Let's go.
I was just so pleased to get here and just see the people here are singing their hearts out, and still the energy levels were all up there. It was so good.
Oh.